Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to the lecture on Introduction to Technical Writing. In this semester we'll be discussing what is technical writing. So before going to the actual task of technical writing, we'll be discussing what is technical writing and what things will be included in this technical writing. Okay, this in this lecture we'll be discussing definition of technical writing, rationale, why technical writing or what technical writing is for, and we'll be discussing communication continuum. In this area we'll be discussing different types of writing, and then we'll be discussing technical writing versus essays. Okay, technical writing is actually formal writing, kind of it may be of letters, applications and memorandum and different things. It is communication written for and about business and industry, focusing on products and services, how to manage them, how to market them, how to deliver them, how to manufacture them and use them. And it is a writing for specific and accurate information to a defined audience for a specific purpose. Its audience is specific and information is accurate and specific. We cannot add personal experiences and things. For example, if you're writing an application to the head of department, so your audience is the head of department. And this technical writing is actually, it may be an instructional manual for repairing a machinery, or it may be a memo listing meeting agendas. Memo is actually a document recording the terms of a contract or other legal details. And a letter from a vendor to a client. This vendor is actually a person who sells things by going to street. A recommendation report proposing a new computer system. And this technical writing which must be understood easily and quickly includes job descriptions, reports. Under this heading, reports, we'll be discussing progress reports and activity reports. Then we have letters. Under this heading we'll be discussing acknowledgement letters, how to write acknowledgement letters, how to write cover letters, acceptance letters, refusal letters, resignation letters. And then we'll be writing proposals. Basically we'll be discussing research proposals and steps how to write research proposal. And then we'll be discussing presentation skills and techniques. And this is for the whole semester. All these things will be discussed for the whole semester. Okay, let's come to the point why technical writing, or why what technical writing is for. Rational means, so when students are employed and have to write on the job, will they write essays? Or the answer for this question will be resounding no. Or once students are employed, will they have to write on the job? The answer for this question will be a resounding yes. And the reason for teaching technical writing is this, because the students will know the types of documents they will write on the job. Because on the job we have to write job description, we have to write reports, different reports. It may be progress report or it may be activity reports, and then we have to write different letters. It may be joining letter, it may be resignation letter, it may be acceptance letter, acknowledgement letter and different letters. Okay, in communication continuum we'll be discussing the types of writing and their examples, then their characteristics. Okay, creative writing. Under this heading, poems, plays and stories fall, and in their characteristics or their traits are connotative and expressive words are used, fictional characters are there, imagery and plots. Connotative and denotative are two words which are, we can say, some in some way opposite to each other. Connotative means the words which have implied or suggested meaning, or we can say associated meaning. Or denotative words are the words which have literal or primary meaning, or we can also say denotative meaning is the dictionary meaning. Or expressive words are the words which effectively convey thoughts and feelings. Then we have expressive writing. Expressive writing may be narratives, descriptions, and it may be subjective, based on personal experience. Connotative and expressive words. Subjective and objective, again these are two different concepts. Subjective means in this sort of writing we can add our personal experience and opinion, but in objective we have to give the facts and figures, we cannot add our personal experience and opinions. Then we have expository writing. It is comparison, contrast, analysis, cause, effect, argument, and persuasion. And this type of writing is objective. Connotative and denotative words are used here. This is the trait or characteristics of this type of writing. Then we have journalism. In journalism we have news stories, features, editorials. Feature is actually a longer piece of writing than a news story. Features come in many different types and are widely used in magazines, newspapers, and online. And their characteristics are, they are also objective, means we cannot add our personal experience and opinions, we must add facts and figures. They are written from factual observations. Short sentences and paragraphs are written. Some connotative and but more denotative words are used. Then we have technical writing. In technical writing we have memos, letters, reports, instructions, resumes, web pages. And technical writing is also a kind of objective writing. In technical writing, either it is a memo, it is a report, it is a letter, we cannot add our personal opinion or experience, we have to write facts and figures. We write about products and services. Short sentences and paragraphs are written, and denotative words are used. As I already told you, denotative words are the words which have literal and primary meanings, or we can say the dictionary meaning. Then we have technical writing versus essay. What is essay and what is technical writing? So basically, these are the components of any kind of writing: development, grammar, organization, style, and document design. So technical writing, development of technical writing, it uses examples, anecdotes, testimony, data, and research, and it is same for the essays, and both are same. Grammar is very important for the both type of writing. Then we have organization. In technical writing, it provides introduction, body, and conclusion. Then it uses subject line versus a thesis, and itemization of point versus transitional words. And it uses topic sentences only when needed, dependent upon the type of length of the correspondence. Sorry. Subject line means, in application and formal writing, formal letters, we write subject when we write the in the inside address heading inside address, and then we come to subject, then salutation. So in subject line we write the main idea of the letter. In itemization means we can write the things or information in bullet form or points. Essays provide an introduction, thesis statement, body paragraphs, transitional words, and a topic sentences. So, thesis statement is basically the concluding or ending sentences of introductory paragraph. Thesis statement is the sentence which tells the reader about what is going to be discussed in the essay. Both of these are in organization. Essay and technical writing are similar in some ways and different in other ways. The style of technical writing is it uses short and denotative words. short sentences and short paragraphs. So we will be discussing what are the how to use short sentences and how to use clarity and different things in the characteristics of technical writing. And in essays we use longer concatenative words, longer sentences and longer paragraphs. In style, technical writing and essays both are different. Then we have document design. Document design means highlighting techniques such as graphics, headlines, subheadings, headings, various fonts, white space, bullets. These cannot be used in essays because this is not the factor of essay. So in this regard, document design, both are essay and technical writing, both are different. So this is the end. We'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.